Okay, so for the paper weaving project, we're going to do tabby and we are going to do zigzag. But what I want to talk about in this video is how to prepare your paper for this assignment and future assignments, and how we're going to fold it to create slots, and how we're going to fold the paper to create strips. Okay? First off, these are slots, which when we start weaving, they would also be considered the warp strings. But for the paper, we're going to call these slots. And you can see that they don't go all the way through, like a strip. Now, these are strips, and weaving, they would call this the weft of the fabric, or of the weaving, the weft cords and the warp cords when weaving with fabric. But with paper, we're going to call these slots and strips. Now, the first thing you're going to need is an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. Here I have an example of how we're going to kind of fold the paper. When we fold the paper lengthwise in half, we are going to get two sections. So we're going to get 1/2, 1/2. Then, when we fold half in half again, we are going like this. We're going to get 1/4, 1/4, and then of course over here 1/4, 1/4. When we fold 1/4 in half again, we're going to get 1/8, which is an inch wide, 1/8, 1/8, and so on. We would have 8 columns that are 1 inch width. Then, lastly, when we fold 1/8 in half again, we're going to have what you would call 1/16. And 1/16 means that we're going to have 16 strips, and each of these 16 strips are going to be 1/2 inch. Okay, so let's proceed by folding the paper.